Bhupin Singh Hooda said that honoring sportsperson who have raised the pride of the country all over the world should be the priority of every government. Players and sport policy are the measure of the development of the country and the state. Hooda also said that BJP has made government bring medal get post policy discrimination policy. Hooda also said that in the BJP government the national and international players are in disarray. Players should not be disappointed. Our government will make the world best sports policy again. If children are given the sacrament of philanthropy from childhood, then as they grow older, then that sanskars begin to flourish through them. Ms. Ira Abhishek Lodha, the author of Paramveer, The War Diary, and the granddaughter of renowned social worker Ms. Manju Lodha, has launched the High Five brand, keeping women's menstruation in mind. She is just 13-year-old Ms. Ira Lodha. A new generation and innovative has done a thorough research on a healthy food and developed her own hi-fi brand so that women can rid of menstruation problems and have good health during menstruation. India plans to launch on March 28 an Earth observation satellite that will provide it near real-time images of its border and also enable quick monitoring of natural disasters. The rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine by India in collaboration with leading global institutions has rescued the world from the deadly coronavirus, and the contribution by the country must not be underestimated, a top American scientist has said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday mounted a scathing attack on West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee at a mega rally in Kolkata. Only equipment Ahmed potentially stand in the way of South African billionaire and current sole candidate Patrice Motsepe becoming the 8th president of the Confederation of African Football this Friday. Suspecting that sticky bombs may have entered the valley, security forces are redrawing their standard procedures and also advising general public not to leave their vehicles unattended, officials said on Sunday. PM Narendra Modi on Sunday addressed a poll rally in Kolkata, giving a major thrust to the SAF and party's campaign ahead of Bengal's 8th-phase assembly elections starting March 27. Vicky Kaushal recently visited the Uri base camp in Kashmir after he received an invitation. Sharing some lovely picture from his visit, the actor shared a heartfelt post with his fans.